In this video I will show you step by step how you can add the temperature into your Instagram stories. So first of all, what we want to do is head over to our Instagram, and then you want to go and upload a story as you would usually. So go ahead and choose the photo or video that you want to add to your story. And then once you have added something, what you want to do then is come to the top right here and then click on the stickers icon, which will then bring you to this page where you can then search in the top search result right there for temperature. Or you can go ahead and just search manually on this tile box right here. So if I go back, as you'll notice, if you scroll down, there is now an option for temperature. If we click on this, that will then list the temperature. If you click on it once more and click on it once more, it will change through the different, icons and things that they do have available on Instagram. And then once you're happy, you can reposition this, make it as big or as small as you like. And then once you are happy, you will then be able to upload your story as you would usually. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.